If you regularly drink more than 14 units of alcohol a week, try these simple tips to help you cut down. 14 units is equivalent to 6 pints of average strength beer or 10 small glasses of low strength wine. Make a plan before you start drinking, set a limit on how much you're going to drink. Set a budget, only take a fixed amount of money to spend on alcohol. Let them know. If you let your friends and family know you're cutting down and it's important to you, you could get support from them. Take it a day at a time, cut back a little each day. That way, every day you do is a success. Make it a smaller one. You can still enjoy a drink, but go for smaller sizes. Try bottled beer instead of pints, or a small glass of wine instead of a large one. Have a lower strength drink. Cut down the alcohol by swapping strong beers or wines for ones with a lower strength ABV in percent. You'll find this information on the bottle. Stay hydrated. Have a glass of water before you have alcohol and alternate alcoholic drinks with water or other non-alcoholic drinks. Take a break. Have several drink-free days each week. Benefits of cutting down. The immediate effects of cutting down include feeling better in the mornings, being less tired during the day, better looking skin, feeling more energetic, better weight management. Long-term benefits include mood. There's a strong link between heavy drinking and depression, and hangovers often make you feel anxious and low. If you already feel anxious or sad, drinking can make this worse, so cutting down may put you in a better mood generally. Sleep. Drinking can affect your sleep. Although it can help some people fall asleep quickly, it can disrupt your sleep patterns and stop you sleeping deeply. So cutting down on alcohol should help you feel more rested when you wake up. Behavior drinking can affect your judgment and behavior. You may behave irrationally or aggressively when you're drunk. Memory loss can be a problem during drinking and in the long term for regular heavy drinkers. Heart. Long-term heavy drinking can lead to your heart becoming enlarged. This is a serious condition that can't be completely reversed, but stopping drinking can stop it getting worse. Immune system. Regular drinking can affect your body's ability to fight infections. Heavy drinkers tend to catch more infectious diseases.